to the channel. Today we got a new product review. Company reach out, AutoOne LED. Got some new lights, new company. Thought we'd try them out. Actually, believe it or not, we got these on the Silverado and didn't even know it.
Yeah, man.
So what we're working on today though is a 2012 Subaru Impreza.
A little dark, but
yeah, it's a little dark. Sorry guys, the shop is full, so we got work going on. But what we're going to do is we're going to unbox these things real quick. Believe it or not, I have not been into this box, so it's not a bad little deal. Normal little plastic wrapping. Get these things open real quick here. Let you see what you're dealing with. So, in the box, you have different O-rings. Got your bulbs. Nice fans built into them too. Those are pretty sturdy. I actually think these are going to be better than the ones that are on the truck. I just kind of ordered them. But we're going to show you real quick how to toss these in. Kind of go over a couple things with you, show you one with, one without. So real quick, we'll cut to what it looks like without LEDs. And trust me, it's hideous. All right guys, so if you own one of these Imprezas, double check your bulb sizes. We are actually replacing the high beams instead of the low beams. Some of these take 9005 on the low and high beam. This one just so happens to be H11 on the low beam and 9005 on the high beam. So we're gonna swap these out to the high beams real quick. It will show you how easy it is. Let's drop in here. High beam. Quick, easy, unplug it. Out she goes. In goes the LED. Plug up, you're done. So, we're about to show you a clip real quick of this high beam installed, and then we'll show you both of them installed. Show you what the new high beams look like. Ready to do it?
yeah, man.
Let's go. All right, so here's the driver's side. I gotta watch it because this one's hot. Plug it up, and then boom, we're done with that. Now, guys, this is what I was talking about just a second ago. I'm seeing spots from those lights. Make sure you get it set in here correctly. There we go. And then you just have these little push pins. Pop them back in. And of course reverse that to take this out, but that's what you do to get to that passenger side of headlight. So let's show them what both high beams look like together.
Yeah, man.
Let's go. So there you go guys. Quick, simple, easy. AutoOne LED bulbs. Go check them out. They're on Amazon. They also have a website. We'll drop a link down below. Give them a shot, man. They are pretty cool. They are some really good bulbs, man. What do you think?
Yeah, I like them.
I do too. Now I know there was a little bit of a goof up, but like I looked at this when we started all this.
We thought they were the same.
Yeah, we did. So,
but they're not.
Yeah, no. But it's all right. It's all good. I'll get in touch with them. We'll get some H11 low beams in here in a couple of weeks, and you'll have another AutoOne video showing their product once again. Because why? Because they're that good.
Yeah, man.
That's what I want to hear. So, since that's your first yeah man in a while, guys, we're going to get out of here. Thank you once again to AutoOne for sponsoring this video. We appreciate everything you've done for us so far. Looking forward to working with you even more. Jacob, it's nice having you back in the garage, not the shop.
Yeah, man.
So, all that being said, guys, we love you and we have missed you. So remember, dream big. See you guys.